Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all waking up all nice and cozy and warm. I was until I stepped outside this morning. Guess what's coming? Yeah, a snowstorm. I'm not real happy about that, but it's okay. Anyway, it's cold out here this morning. It's only in the low 30s. And it hasn't started snowing yet. There are some little flurries floating around in the air, but we are supposed to get up to 8 inches of snow here by sometime tomorrow. They started a winter storm warning here at 1 p.m. today, so I'm gonna go out quick and see if I can do a few deliveries this morning and see what happens, because I'm not going to stay out once it starts really getting yucky. So then I will come home and hibernate with my 3 little furry kids, and we'll watch it snow. Of course, they love the snow. They love playing in it. So we'll see. But I have a nice day coming today, and oh, Roadie's already putting trips out. Okay, excuse me. I think I got a frog in my throat or something. Anyway, what was I saying? I forgot. Oh, the older you get, the more you forget, right? Oh yeah, I have a couple things to tell you about this morning. You know, yesterday, I love doing those TV deliveries. They are so nice. And yesterday I delivered 2 TVs, and what's really cool about them is most of the time when you get there, because when you do it through Roadie, you know, the customer can track when you're on your way, and they can see when you're going to arrive and all that stuff, you know. I guess they can do that through Spark too, but anyway, I both TVs I get yesterday, you get there and the guys are waiting for their TVs, right? And so they're very happy to come out to the car and help you get them in the house. And you know, and even the day before, the one fella said, "Oh, let me help you with that. You didn't have to load that all by yourself, did you?" And I thought, what a nice thing, you know, for a young guy to say that, because these days, you know, that's kind of a thing of the past for the most part. But I thought it was so nice, you know. And so yeah, they're always excited to get their TVs, and they help you, which is really nice. So, oh yeah, and I did go back out yesterday and made another $20, almost $21. It was on a TV delivery. So yeah, so it didn't turn out too bad yesterday. And I'm gonna see what happens this morning. I'm kind of thinking it might be a pretty busy morning for deliveries, for groceries, I think, because we'll see. I could be wrong, but I know the people in this area, when there's a storm coming, you know, they got to stock up on bread and milk and all that stuff, you know. So I'm thinking there might be quite a few deliveries today. I'm hoping I'm right, and I can do a few of them and then get back home. The winter storm warning is going to start at 1 p.m. today. So for all of you in the southern climates, you know, doing your gig work, and, you know, Miss Mary and Chuck and everybody else, and you know, I say have a wonderful day. That's what I wish we didn't get bad weather here, because that hinders me a lot in my earning potential. But it's okay, because there's other ways, you know, income comes into you sometimes unexpectedly. And that brings up my next subject I wanted to talk about, and I wanted to thank one of my subscribers, Sue. She actually bought me 5 coffees through my Buy Me a Coffee link yesterday. That was so awesome, so sweet. Thank you so much, Sue. It's very much appreciated. And I always have the link for that, you know, in my video descriptions and on my About page here on the YouTube channel, and also on my Rumble channel. But I wanted to say a heartfelt thank you, Sue. That was very, very kind. I appreciate it, and it will definitely help. So, what else did I want to tell you about? Oh, I got the quote back from the dealer about my cargo trailer. Yesterday he called me with a quote, and he gave me a quote for the regular steel frame trailer and an aluminum trailer because they are lighter. So once I get up to the store and I'm sitting still, I will tell you about that quote, and I have to say that it was better than I expected. So I'll be back with you when I get up to the store. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, but it is starting to snow here now. And it's just light snow, but the temperature has dropped 2 degrees just since I left home in the last 10 minutes. So I think we're in for a doozy, but we'll see what happens. I'm almost to the store. Okay, so that was quick. I pulled into the store, turned on my app, and up popped this order. So this isn't bad. Less than 20 miles for the round trip, and it pays $22.31 with 2 drop-offs. You know, I didn't even think to look at the items. Well, let's just see. Hopefully it won't be bad. Let's see here. Let's look at the items. That don't look bad so far. Okay. Hopefully there's no waters. Okay, that must be the bulky item, that big pack of toilet paper. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's only a 32 pack of water. That's not as bad as those big 40 packs. Those are just a bit heavy. Okay, well, that looks pretty good. Can't pick it up. I gotta wait until 8:50 or 7:55 for it, but that's okay. Okay, I got my little list out for the cargo trailer. The quote I got for it. So I got a quote for both a steel and aluminum trailer, and I have to say both of them were less than I thought they would be for the stuff that I want to get. So what I want is a 7x12 single axle, okay, and with the V nose, straight axle, and it will have a 13,500 BTU air conditioner with heat strip, so I'll have heat and air. It'll have a 30 amp, 110 volt electrical package with 2 receptacles inside and a lifeline to plug in at the campgrounds. And let's see, what else did I get on there? Oh, and I'll have some E-track along the walls high enough to make my bed frame with. So anyway, that's what I need. And okay, the steel trailer comes in at 1,900 pounds that way, equipped with that stuff. And that price on that would be $7,360, which is a lot less than I thought for having the electrical package and the air conditioning installed. So I was very happy with that quote. Now the aluminum trailer with the same specs, it comes in at 9,686 pounds. or I'm not pounds, $9,686, okay? And so that's like $2,300 more than the steel trailer. And it weighs 1,800 pounds, so there's only 100 pounds of difference in the weight. I would have thought that it would be quite a bit lighter than the steel trailer. Some of them are, maybe it's this particular brand, I don't know. But if I was to order today, which I'm not because I'm still checking around other places for prices, I'm gonna go with the steel trailer, because that 1,900 pounds, and when I put my stuff in there, I'm not gonna put more than 1,000 pounds. I'll be lucky if I have that much weight put in it, you know. So I'm fine, because I can tow up to 3,600 pounds with my van, although you don't want to go right up against the limit, but I'm still fine. If I put 700 or 800 pounds of stuff in that trailer, I'll be just fine. So I can't justify, you know, another $2,300 for an aluminum trailer, although they are nice and they won't rust out, you know, like the steel ones will. However, I don't plan on being in any bad weather where they use salt on the roads with my trailer. Because once I get it and we get gone for the winter time, this old girl ain't coming back home until after the mud season in spring is over and all the salt and stuff's gone off the roads. So anyway, so I was happy about that quote. I'm still going to get a quote from direct from the factory at one of the places in Georgia. That some of those go factory direct and you can just go pick it up. I'm going to get a quote there, see what it would cost from the factory, and factor in my my gas money and stuff to go get it or to have it shipped, and see which one comes out. I don't really know. I can't guess because I don't know. But anyway, I'm getting excited, and this is going to be fun. So, in fact, the buy me a coffee money, I decided I'm going to save all of that anybody buys me a coffee with, and that's going to go toward my cargo trailer. So that's what I'm going to do with it. And I did want to say also, another one of my subscribers, Sunny, she recently just donated a buy me a coffee also, and I wanted to say thank you to her. She has a cool channel. She does gig work out in Kansas. She does Spark and different things, and you should check out her channel. It's called Sunny's Chronicles. Very nice. And then I'm gonna start, and I have commented and said thank you to everyone who's bought me a coffee, and Barb, another subscriber, she has bought me coffees. I have said thank you to everyone in the comments, but I wanted to just say it on the video, thank you, and I appreciate it. So I'm gonna check in here on my app so I can get my order and go deliver it. Maybe I'll be able to come back and get another one or two before the weather gets bad. So I'll check in with you in a little while. Okay, we're off to deliver this. Temperature's dropping fast. I'm probably not going to stay out too long because I don't want to be out here driving when it first starts freezing, you know, before the road trucks get out to treat everything. So we'll see. It dropped another degree, so we dropped down. We're at 33 degrees now. I don't know about the ground temperature. You know, we've had such warm temperatures that the ground temperature may not be cold enough to have a freeze just yet, right here in the next hour or two or three. But the bridges will definitely freeze over if the temperature drops 32 or below. So with this precipitation. Okay, well, anyway, that's enough of reporting on the weather. I'm going to go and get this delivered, and I'll let you see some of the scenery here along the way. load my order was telling me that they do have quite a few orders in there this morning. So, yeah, I think people are ordering just in case they get snowed in. But that's okay. That's good for me.
In a half mile, take the Pennsylvania 403 exit toward Hallsipple, Davidsville.
If the camera's picking this up or not on here. But it's getting a little bit heavier with the snow coming down. Okay, I'll be back with you in a
Take the
few
Pennsylvania
minutes.
403 exit, then...
So, that Spark order went quickly and easily. Both of them were really easy to deliver. It was really quick. Nice places to go to. And I'm on my way back up to the store. As you can tell, I'm freezing. I got my coat on. And I'm a sissy in cold, yucky weather. But I'm headed back to the store right now to pick up a roadie gig. And it's another TV. And it's going right like half a mile from my house. So I'm going to take that and then I'm going to wrap up my day because it's getting colder and the road trucks are coming out now and waiting for the storm. So I'm going home and I'm just going to have a nice long weekend now with my pups. Tomorrow is supposed to be the worst of it. But anyway, let me go get my TV. Wowza. This is the biggest TV I've ever taken. It just barely fit here in my back of my van. I'm really hoping the guy's there to help me with this one. So no one was there. And I got it out and I put it in front of the house, right in front of the porch, because the porch looked like he was doing a lot of home remodeling and there was a lot of clutter. It was a small porch and steep stairs, and I couldn't get it up onto the porch. There was just no room, even if I could have physically gotten it up there. So I put it in front of the porch, right under the street, the house number, you know, and took the picture. And he called me right as I was doing that, and he said, "Do I need to be here for this delivery?" I said, "Well, no, you're not required to be, but," I said, "I can't get it up onto your porch, so I'm leaving it right here, and you'll see the picture when the app sends you the photo of where I left it." I said, "But I probably wouldn't with this weather and porch pirates and things like that, you know." I said, "I probably wouldn't leave it out here for very long if you can help it." He said, "I'm on my way. I'm coming to get it." Well, I waited another 10 minutes. Just so no one would steal it, really, you know. I didn't have to, but I'm going home. What the heck? And he still wasn't there, so I left, but I think it'll be fine, you know. That's all I'm really required to do is just put it somewhere that's accessible. So, and it was under the porch overhang, so it wasn't like sitting directly out into the weather. Anyway, that's it. I'm done for the day. Really nice. I have a half a mile to go to home. So that will give me a total round trip from home to home today of 39.2 miles. And I made $42.21. So that's really good when I can average over $1 a mile from home and back to home again. I'm happy, and I'm gonna go home now, and the kiddos are gonna be happy, and we're gonna sit and we're gonna watch our snow blizzard come in. I hope you guys all have a really productive day. And I don't know what I'll do tomorrow. You know, I was going to do another live ride along like I did last Friday. But I don't think I'll be going out tomorrow. I mean, There's a possibility, but I highly doubt it. But we'll see what happens. I'll figure out something. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching and commenting and giving the thumbs up on my videos. It's really helping them. You know, maybe I'll make an update tomorrow while I'm home about the my YouTube analytics, because they have really exploded over the last 3 weeks. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I think that's a good idea. Okay, see you guys later. Bye for now. Backing my car into the garage. I'm not leaving it outside with the snowstorm coming, because I don't like having to clean the snow off of it. So, here we go. Trying to fit it in here with all the stuff I have crammed in here is a little trick sometimes, but it fits. It fits. All right, guys, see you later.